From offices to factories, energy usage often goes unseen, driving up costs, missing sustainability targets, and leaving you with zero control. If that sounds familiar, it's time to take charge with Airtel IoT Smart Energy Management. One platform, total control. IoT sensors, GSM gateways, and secure 4G SIMs connect every energy asset to a unified cloud dashboard. See granular, real-time data. Get AI-powered insights to pinpoint inefficiency and reduce waste. Use predictive maintenance to cut downtime and unlock real productivity gains by freeing up manual monitoring resources. With automated ESG reporting and carbon footprint tracking, stay audit ready, turning sustainability compliance into net zero leadership. Airtel Smart Energy Management. Scale across sites, drive productivity, and see energy costs drop within weeks. Book your demo now.